2 years ago अभी कोरोना हुआ था मुझे 1 साल से पहले। उसके बाद अभी बहुत एलर्जी हो गई है और वेदर चेंज के वजह से भी मुझे अभी भी यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है। यहाँ आइस में साइनस प्रॉब्लम बहुत है,
Madam, what's your body weight,
बहुत
madam?
ही ज्यादा है।
Madam, what's your body weight?
76।
76, sir.
You must come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You must come down 11 kilos. Can you do that?
11 કિલો ઘટાડવા પડશે સર કે છે ગાયત્રી. And sir, she had COVID last year, and after that, all these problems have started. She cannot even
yes.
drink water from a
Yes.
normal mud pot.
No, she's fine now. She's fine now. There's no dark energy, nothing. She must lose 11 kilos, number one, and start doing bed yoga, heal the nose chakra, cheek chakra, chin chakra, and lower throat chakra. She must start healing them.
Okay, sir.
And no more acidic food. Eat warm food. When she's sleeping, she must wear socks and sleep. Keep her body warm.
Okay.
Okay, madam, but you must lose your body weight now. Your body is also very acid. Your body is also very acidic.
गायत्री समझा तुम्हें?
हाँ, वो तो मैं समझ जाती हूँ।
Okay.
और भी मुझे एक बात पूछनी है सर से कि मुझे ऐसा मेंटल इश्यू है कि कोई भी रोग बोलता है ना, ये साइनस है या कुछ भी रोग का नाम, ऐसे मैं थिंक कर लेती हूँ और वो मेरे सिम्टम्स में आता है और मुझे दवाई लेनी ही पड़ती है और जाता ही नहीं है।
Sir, she's having another issue. Like if anybody names any kind of sickness or illness, she starts getting the symptoms of it and it doesn't go off easily.
Really?
Yes, sir. She's telling she has the psychological issue probably.
So if you go to the cancer department, she's finished. You get all the cancer of everybody.
गायत्री सर बोल रहे हैं आप कैंसर हॉस्पिटल में जाओगे तो आपका सब जितना भी कैंसर वहां पे सब आपको लग जाएगा, ऐसा है?
No, take the wand and say, I'm removing all his thought form. Blaze away and burn away all his thought form.
वो सब भी मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी भी मुझे।
I want to test you. Next time a woman comes with period pain, I want to see whether the period pain go to you or not.
अभी भी मुझे यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, मैं सहन नहीं कर पाती हूँ।
So she's having headache right now on the near the crown chakra. Her left eye, it is all hurting her right now. She's not able to work.
Hello, Gayatri. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 gurus coming inside.
Oh.
Sorry?
90, 95, 96 gurus coming inside now. What do you do?
White magic.
96 white magic coming inside now. Right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minutes ago. It's counting. 8 minutes ago. All the cards came inside. What do you do?
कुछ पूजा पाठ किया था?
I do affirmation read 4 o'clock और मैंने
before all this thing. What do you do? Any group you follow?
पूजा पाठ वगैरह कुछ करते हो, कुछ ऐसी चीज फॉलो करते हो जहाँ से ये आ रहा है आपको कनेक्शन?
Any spiritual group you following?
किसी भी स्पिरिचुअल ग्रुप
मैं पहले थी, अभी तो पीवीएच के ज्वाइन के बाद नहीं हूँ।
Don't talk about PVH, madam. Please. Before PVH, please understand. Before
PVH.
कौन सा
spiritual? That's not the lady said, I know Cool Devi, but Cool Devi picture in the house. Then whatever you do, huh? Oh, I don't know Cool Devi. Long time I know Cool Devi. But Cool Devi is in the house. Whatever you do, and bleeding. Like that, madam, you do not understand. You say, I follow PVH affirmation, but something is there that you don't want to let go. You cannot let go, or they won't let you go. They won't let you go. You want to go, but they don't let you go. That's where the trouble is. 96 calls coming right now. 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes ago. She's going. I can count 11 minutes now.
Oh, wow.
They ask you, why you talk to that fella? Don't talk to that fella. They're telling you. They don't like you getting help from us. What group you follow? Tell me.
कौन से गुरु थे गायत्री?
नहीं, मैं वो तो मैं
पहले इसको फॉलो कर रहे थे, सर पूछ रहे हैं।
साधना
पहले भी जो भी थे नाम बोलिए।
मैंने बताया शिव बाबा और कोई नहीं।
ओके।
और मैं गुरु दत्तात्रेय को पहले से जब भी जन्म हुआ तभी से मान रही हूँ।
सर शिवयोग एंड दत्तात्रेय, गॉड दत्तात्रेय एंड शिवयोग बाबा गुरु।
That's enough, madam. That's enough to have so many connection. Take page number 7. Read forgiveness to all of them now. Take page number 7. You say to all the spiritual organization, all the Babas I have followed knowingly or unknowingly in this lifetime. Read now.
हे परब्रह्म देवी पिता देवी माता मारो उच्चाटना महान कर्म मंडल
How's the pain, madam?
गायत्री कैसा पेन है सर पूछ रहे हैं?
अभी यहाँ पे टिंगलिंग हो रहा है.
कितना आउट ऑफ 10 कितना कम हो गया है आपको?
1
सर 1 रिमेनिंग.
You see what happened? How easy. Your soul is not accepting it. Your soul is not accepting it. Understand, man? Gayatri, your soul is not accepting it. Understand? You see, in the affirmation that we give you, there's nothing but you and your guides and God. That's all. My name is not there. My picture is not there. If Indian Baba, his Baba will be the front page. He put his face like that. And the star and the sun will be there. Or they sit behind the whole star, the big sun. And so they are the children of the sun. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's wrong. They should guide you towards the right path and show you the path, not tell them that you must follow me, otherwise you will not find God. Only with me you can find God. This is all wrong. They shouldn't do that. Understand? You should find the own God. Everybody is a child of God. Everybody can do that. Everybody can learn. It's like Indian government. Indian government give you free school. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can study. Same teacher, same class. Some can do it, some cannot do it. That's all. It doesn't mean he's stupid. He can do something else. Understand? The opportunity is there for everybody. Of course, people with money, they want to go to a private school. Understand? No money, they can learn. They can also become better. If the father can guide them properly and he got very interested teachers, they can do a good job. And every children can also be smart. Like that, divine has given everybody the opportunity. You can all do it. Understand? Hey, Gayatri, are you listening? Okay, go and see the Baba. I'll come back after tomorrow. Even having the books, the pictures will make connection. Understand, Gayatri?
Okay.
Go back and check what you have in the house. That's all connection. Understand?
Okay.
You may think you let go. They are not going to let you go. They want to make millions and millions and millions followers. And everybody can give 10 rupees. They got how many money they can get. They want more. Come. Don't worry. I will take care of you. They can't even take care of themselves. How are they going to take care of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam?
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
सर ये वो एलर्जी के बारे में
ये एलर्जी
Non allergy, your body is weak, make your body stronger towards temperature. Do the Ida Pingala, heal the base chakra, and heal the nose chakra, cheek chakra, chin chakra, throat chakra, and lower. Make a sign. And get the morning and do. 11 kilos, you come down, you'll be fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Newborn baby also asking question. Who is this newborn baby? Oh, my newborn baby. Oh, newborn baby also can be a G meet, huh? My newborn
Hello,
baby
sir.
is born.
Good evening.
Said anytime fixed teacher will come. So any solution, he's a boy. Is that what doctor said? What doctor said, madam?
Actually, when he born now, from that time he's unwell only, and after almost 10-15 days later, he was shivering a lot. So we went to the doctor. So doctor said he will get a fit anytime.
Oh, because of the temperature. Yes, of course. When temperature very, very high, they can get fits. Okay.
Yeah.
Madam, is husband reading affirmation? Madam, husband reading affirmation?
Yes. He read every day.
Where's your husband now?
He is in office right now.
Ask him to call me right now. Can you make a
Sorry?
can you make a WhatsApp call, group call?
Actually, I can't do because he is in a meeting.
So
It is not possible.
meeting, call me. His dark energy affecting your child. That's all. The father's dark energy affecting the child, madam.
Okay.
He must read and sit down and identify. This as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many people from the work not happy with him. So the child is affected from the day he was born and before he was born also. Okay?
Okay.
So call him and read down and then we help him out. Okay?
Okay.
Understand, madam?
And then I want to ask about my elder son. He's a 5.5. So he is eating everything, but he's underweight.
Oh,
He's
madam.
only 14 kg only.
Who is that? Who is this now? Another child.
Yeah, another child. He's the elder sister, elder son.
How old is he?
He's a 5.5.
All affair of father's energy, madam. Let the father call me.
Right now, I can't do.
Okay, madam. Do it afterwards, lah.
Okay, fine, no problem.
We still have another 1 hour.
Okay, okay,
Bye.
okay. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, madam. Mahima Kapoor. Hey, this Kapoor, is it a family name?
Surname, sir.
So that means all the Kapoors are family members. Or are they related? All the film star Kapoor family all related?
No, sir. No, sir. It's
No.
a common surname.
Common surname. I thought when I see Kapoor, I thought all the Kapoors, all the Rajesh Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Rajesh Kapoor, all these actors, all these names, all Kapoor. Then all the Khans will come, all the Khans. Huh? Okay, sir, I am the same person who tried Hoponopono. Where's the lady? Hoponopono lady. Hey,
That's me.
you're Mahima Kapoor.
Yes, sir.
I see. Tell us what happened. She started reading Hoponopono and she started getting
Yeah.
inner world connection.
Yeah.
Everybody
Yeah.
don't understand. No? Everything is connected to some inner world. Please understand. So then it happened. I am so much better than I was before. However, every day in the evening I feel uneasy and there's a sensation of feeling of my head. I try to sense using the wand and there's a dark energy coming from me from soul. I am attending all healing happy life and also play the song on daily basis. However, every evening I get anxiety. I also get strange dreams about you and my family member. Me.
Yes, sir.
Eh,
Yes,
How
sir.
to come in your dream, madam?
I don't know, sir. I have no idea, but it has happened. Like,
I come as a good man or a bad man?
no, not a good man. Like, it was a
Then it can't be me. Then it cannot be me, man. I'm a good man. Then be something else. Somebody camouflaging coming there like me.
yeah, probably. Like, these strange
Wait,
dreams
madam.
that
Wait, madam. Did I rape you?
No, nothing like that.
One lady claimed I came and raped her. Yeah. Every evening I get anxiety, I get strange dreams about you and my family, but midnight also I get up. Okay? Madam, there's still something in the house. What do you have in the house?
In the house, sir, I've even given away that book online. I mean,
There's still another book, some other book in the house.
some book in the house. Yeah, I mean, I read a lot of books. So there are a lot of books in general, like nothing about Ho'oponopono, but other books are there.
No. Some other books, madam. It doesn't have to be a Ho'oponopono book, madam.
Okay, all of other books? Like, I have a full
Yeah.
library.
Can be any other book. What other books you have, madam? Sometimes books can get activated. No.
Right. So
Understand?
yeah, whole lot of library. So probably I have to give
All
out.
of what kind of books? Spiritual books or just fiction or just like geography books or maths
All
books or biology
all,
books? Or,
all mixed. Mostly the motivational ones. Like I like to read like motivational like books in the morning. So those things, and then fiction, love stories, comedy, all kind of those books.
madam, you got no work to do. You got no work to do.
No, sir, I read. I just enjoy. I'm a regional head for South Asia for a UK based university.
What,
But in the
madam? You're
I'm the regional head for South Asia for a UK based university. But I just read in general, like when I travel or before going to sleep, I read.
Madam, there's one book there, Getting Dark Energy Connection, madam.
Okay.
Think of the book, madam.
I have a lot of these. Like I'm not too sure. So there's so many of them. Probably I'll give away all the ones that I think that are there.
Did you read any book 1, 2, 3 days ago?
No, sir. I did not. From the last I read that Ho'oponopono. After that, I've stopped reading for a while. I don't read now.
But think, there's one book in the house, madam, that's giving connection, inner world connection.
Okay.
Think, madam. Think.
I don't know. I just have. I'm just trying to think. There's so many of them. There is.
You see, madam, let me tell you.
Yes, sir.
When you read somebody's book,
Yeah.
okay, what are you reading?
So just normal autobiography.
Author's thought form.
Yeah. Yeah.
He reading his thought form, huh?
Yeah.
He's not writing a history book or even a history book, madam. He's reading his thought form, how he sees the history as. When you write a geography book, it's facts. When a maths book is facts. 1 + 1 is 2. I cannot change that. It's a fact book. But all other books, madam, you're reading the thought form of that person.
Yeah.
And sometimes the thought form will be inside you, lingering in your physical body, in your aura, and can affect you emotionally and also mentally. Some of these books. So you must be very, very careful what you read. That's why the English people, they'll tell you science fiction, drama in real life. They give you all these names so you know it's a fiction book. You know what I mean now. But sometimes some of these books can get enticed and they can have connection from inner world. Sometimes this author will get thoughts from the inner world, making them write the book the way they want. It's not their thought from sometimes.
Right.
The connection will come from there.
Right.
Many years back, one lady read a autobiography of somebody, and the lady was there standing in front of her. You know, she called me up, sir. I can feel the lady beside me. You know, seriously, can feel. Sometimes they themselves will come. So you must be very, very careful when you touch certain books. You're touching the inner world connection. Some books will make inner world connection. Like I see one book in the house making the inner world connection.
Okay, I think I'll give away most of it because I have a lot of autobiographies and even this autobiography of a yogi and all those. There are not many of those books.
When I do a finger arm test, whether you pass, you know, do a finger arm test, whether you pass or not. You know how to do a
दीदी
finger
कोई
arm test?
बुद्धिज्म की बुक तो नहीं है आपके पास?
नहीं, बुद्धिज्म की कोई बुक नहीं है. But it's just these autobiographies and things like spleen arm test, but there is nobody around, sir. Like for that,
Spleen finger test.
I don't know how to do that.
Make a ring on the left hand.
Okay.
Make a ring. Okay. Take the book. Put it inside here.
Okay.
Left hand. Hold the book near the spleen chakra and hold like that. Right hand and push open your hand. Take the right hand. No. Put the finger inside like this and pull.
Okay.
Pull.
Yeah.
Push.
Push it downwards, right?
You have to push like you want to open it. See whether it comes out or not.
Oh, okay. Open the ring. No, not opening.
Where is the book? Hold it in the spleen chakra. No, not you are not spleen chakra is here, madam. You're putting the armpit.
Okay.
Put a spleen chakra is here. You want to hold it such a way like this.
Okay.
Hold it like that. Hold it like that. Right, and then you put the worm and you start the pull. See whether it comes out or not. If it's strong, then you can read it.
Okay. Yeah, this one is okay. I think there are many other. I'll have to do test of all the books that I have. Probably, but there are many others.
Yes, like the one that you're holding, madam. Is it all truth? In the book, is it all true?
I don't know, just biography. So
Yeah, you're reading one man's experience.
yeah,
The story, is it all true?
I know it's so being twisted.
So a lot of things, madam. So must be very careful, madam. That's very good. They don't talk about nature. They talk this man did that, that man went that, this man went, I went here, I went there. That's a whole story, madam, about his whole life.
So I'll give away most of my books. I've stopped reading for a while. Like I'm not reading right now.
Think of all your books, madam. Think of all your books.
Okay.
Okay, madam, done. Okay, done.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And one more thing, sir. My nephew is just 2 years old. For last 6 days, he's got fever. And he's not eating anything. Not even when we give him forced medicine, he just throws it out.
His father must be forgiveness, madam. Energy from the father affecting him.
Okay. All right. I'll ask him
The
to.
boy's father must read and then sit down the blessing today. Some dark energy for the boy because of the father. Okay?
Okay. Sir. Thank
Okay.
you so much. Sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Really appreciate it.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Patel Kushbu Surat. Are you there?
Yes.
I have psoriasis. Can I cure it? It's about 10 to 12 years of illness. How bad is it, madam? All over the body or certain part of the body?
खुशबू सर पूछ रहे हैं कितना खराब है, आपके पूरे बॉडी पे है या किसी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पे है?
ना मेरे पूरे बॉडी में नहीं है, सिर्फ हेयर में भी है, हेयर में ही है.
Okay. Sir, it's only in the hair area, head area.
What food are you eating? What are you? What race are you?
Sir, Gujarati.
Yeah, what race? Okay, sorry. What religion?
Hindu.
Sorry. I just want to know her diet. Is she a vegan or is she vegetarian? Jain vegetarian or vegan vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
Yeah. What kind of vegetarian? Jain?
Rotli,
No,
dal,
sir,
bhat,
she's not Jain, sir.
Gujarati.
Madam, you must change your diet. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% of your diet must change in order for you to get healed of this, okay?
खुशबू समझा તમે?
हाँ, डाइट चेंज कौन के છે ને?
हाँ, 90% डाइट चेंज કરવાનો તમને.
Okay.
તો શું?
Then do 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 liver flush.
3 વાર liver flush કરવાનું છે.
3. And then do bowel enema 2 times a day. Bowel enema, make sure all comes out.
Bowel enema 2 વાર કરવાનું છે દિવસમાં.
No acidic food, no pickles, no curd, no raita. All that cannot, madam. Milk is fine. Go on as much as possible raw diet.
Okay.
You can heal yourself. Definitely you can heal.
Okay. And sir, anything that she has to heal in particular?
Liver is very toxic.
Okay. તમારું લીવર એકદમ ટોક્સિક છે. તમારું ફૂડ ડાયટ ચેન્જ કરો. સરે કીધું છે કે જે બી ખટાસ વાળી ચીજો છે, જે રીતે દહીં છે, બધું છે, દૂધ પી શકો છો, દહીં રાઈતો એવું બધું નથી ખાવાનું. તમારું ડાયટ ચેન્જ કરશો તો ડેફિનેટલી તમને ફરક આવી જશે આમાં.
ઓકે. લીંબુ બી નહીં ખાઈ શકાય?
ના, લીંબુ તો સર એમે ના જ પાડતો હોય છે ખટાસ વાળું. અથાણું બી ના પાડી છે હમણાં સરે.
Does she eat a lot of limbu?
Lemon, sir, she's asking about lemon, whether I can
Does
eat
she eat a
lemon.
lot of lemon? Does she eat a lot of lemon?
તમે બહુ બધું લીંબુ ખાવ છો સર પૂછે છે?
બહુ નહીં, એટલે અડધું એક દિવસનું હોય, આપણે શાકમાં જે રીતે નાખીએ એ રીતે.
So she eats half a lemon a day.
Why?
In the vegetable and all for flavor.
Huh?
For flavor in the vegetables.
Lemon flavor.
Yes, sir.
Then how is he going to become better?
બને તો બંધ કરી નાખો સર કે જે લીંબુ ખાશો તો ફરક નહીં પડે તમને હેલ્થમાં, અને લીવર તમારું એકદમ ટોક્સિક છે, એને હીલ કરો. Okay.
Okay, madam, you must stop it now. Your liver is very, very sad, very, very bad. Okay, so a lot of liver healing, front liver, side liver, back liver, gallbladder. That's why you must do 1, 2, 3 liver flush every 2 weeks. 2, 3 liver flush. Okay, throw away all the things first. Then when you start becoming better. Okay.
Okay. બે અઠવાડિયામાં એક લીવર ફ્લશ કરો, ડેલી એન્ડ બાવલ એનીમાં કરો, અને તમારું લીવર સાફ થશે તો પોતમેળે પછી બોડી તમે લીવરને હીલ કરી શકો. ફ્રન્ટ, બેક, સાઇડ લીવર, ગોલ બ્લેડર એ બધું હીલિંગ કરજો. ઓકે.
I would like a new home. Whose home is this now? Whose home is this? Your own home?
હમણાં કોના ઘરે રહ્યો છો સર પૂછે છે?
અત્યારે મારા ઘરમાં રહી છે, સાસુ સસરા સાથે રહીએ છીએ, પણ મારો પર્સનલ હોમ લેવું છે.
So she's staying with the in-laws. She wants to take her separate home.
Will they allow her to do that?
Sir, પૂછે છે એલાઉ કરશે તમારા in-laws તમને?
હા.
Yes sir.
So his husband, you're saying husband does not get enough, get salary. Where is your husband working and why is he not getting salary regularly?
સર પૂછે તમારા હસબન્ડને કેમ સેલરી નથી મળતી રેગ્યુલરલી?
રેગ્યુલર છે ને એને જોબમાંથી સેલરી નથી આપતા. 3 મહિના આપે, ક્યારેક 5 મહિના આપે, ક્યારેક 8 મહિના આપે, એવી રીતે સાથે આપે છે.
So they are not giving on a monthly basis. Sometimes they give in 5 months or 8 months. They give it together.
Whoa!
પ્રાઇવેટ જોબ કરે છે.
It's a private job, sir.
That's not good, huh?
Yes, sir. No monthly salary.
So, but he works every month. He goes to work
Yes,
every
sir.
month.
Yes, sir.
Then he should find another job if he can. He can get another job. But then the 5th month, they pay him all one shot?
Yeah. Or everything together. 5 months, 8 months, like that. Together.
Then 5 months, you got a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
Then it slowly comes down. A lot of money comes down. That's a good way of doing work also, huh? Not bad also.
but then how do you bifurcate your expenses, sir?
So he has to manage it. Put the money a little bit, spend. I don't understand. So ask him look for another job, do Divine Fire. He's got a lot of blocks. Is he the only one getting the same thing, or the whole company people are being treated like that?
બધા સાથે બધા સાથે.
Everyone, sir. Everyone.
So that's how the company works, I think. So ask him
Yes.
for another job. If he can manage it, look for another job. How many years is going on like this? How many years?
કેટલા વર્ષથી કરે છે ખુશ્બુ અહીંયા જોબ?
1.5 વર્ષ જેવું થઈ જશે.
1.5 years, sir.
So that was fine.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Before that was fine. Before the job. Before that.
એની પહેલા શું કરતા હતા?
જોબ જ કરતા હતા પણ વડોદરા કરતા હતા, અમે સુરતમાં છીએ અત્યારે.
Okay. He was doing at a different place. Earlier he was doing it at Baroda, and now they are staying in Surat.
Never mind. Ask him to stay along and then see if get another job. Ask him to go. Ask him to go only when he get a job, not before that.
Before that. Okay. ખુશ્બુ સરે કીધું એમને બીજી જોબનું ટ્રાય કરે, અગર બીજી જોબ મળી જાય પછી જ આ જોબ છોડે.
બરાબર.
હા, અને એમને બ્લોગ્સ ઘણા છે તો ડિવાઇન ફાયર ને એફર્મેશન્સ વાંચે.
ઓકે ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you.
Okay. Lalima Aneja Dam. First, accept my thanks. I do affirmation and sit on the blessing almost daily with you, sir. I've been having hypothyroidism, sciatica, lot of pain in feet, hands too, severe osteoporosis, severe insomnia issues. No one knows why they are increasing over the past 2 to 3 years. Have been taking Ayurveda medicine for last 2 to 3 years, but effects stop when I stop them. I don't understand. What do you mean effects stop when I stop them? Is he there?
Yes, sir, she was there. I just
She's
saw
not-
What does it mean? The effects stop when I stop the medicine.
I meant that when I use the medicines, so long as I use them, I take them, I'm fine. But when I stop them, my pain, everything comes back. That's what I was trying to say.
So is this Ayurveda medicine is like a painkiller, madam?
No, there are a lot of medicines for all these problems, a combination for not necessarily painkiller, but for feet, for hands, for insomnia.
But they're not curing you. They're not curing you. Are they curing you?
No, they're not. I've changed also doctors, but they're not curing me totally. I realized that even though I've had them for 3 months regularly, when I have them, I'm fine. Then there was a lockdown. When I stopped them, again, everything came back.
Did anybody ask you to change your diet, madam?
A little bit, yes. Little
No,
bit.
did any one of these guys say change your diet?
Not, but yeah, to some extent. I mean, having a healthy diet, good diet. Yeah, yeah,
What's a healthy diet, madam?
yeah. Yes, sir.
What's a healthy diet?
Healthy diet in our context would be no junk food, no maida, not much of salt, not much of sugar, not fried.
Okay.
Though I have not moved to raw food, but I try to take care of these things.
Madam, your body is very toxic. Okay. And there's
Mhm.
one lady not happy with you, madam.
Yeah.
There's one lady not happy with you at all.
Who is she?
Are you married, madam?
Yes, very much, sir.
It's coming from your husband's side, one lady, madam.
Yes, and I think that's the problem. We are in the same building. Ever since we came to this particular building
Yes,
4
madam.
years ago, I started deteriorating.
Yes, madam. All because of the one lady only, madam. No.
One is my husband's brother's wife, and one is my mother-in-law. One of them.
Your mother-in-law, madam.
Ah,
Mother-in-law. Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Like
yeah.
coming to you like almost every second, every minute.
Yes, yes.
She's living with them, not living with you.
We are not. I'm in the same building. The brother is on the other floor. We are on one floor, and she is living with them.
Why you Indian guys don't like to do this? Huh? Stay together, up brother, down brother, then keep on fighting and never talk to each other.
No, but
I've seen many families like this, no, madam. Brother on top stairs, down stairs. You know what I mean now?
Sir, you don't know. I and my children protested so much against this to my husband, but my husband is totally in control of.
Exactly, madam. When they come, even every family has children, there's some issue going on, madam. If sisters and sisters, not too bad. Brothers, there is a problem, madam.
Yeah. And
If two sisters, they don't bother too much, The man go to work, come back. When the brothers are there, the daughter-in-law, the mother, wow, these people, especially when the mother-in-law is staying there, and say, why don't you stay this son? Why must stay this son? We are paying all this money to you and this and that. All kind of issues happen, madam. So now it's the mother-in-law, madam. I see a lot of energy. And again, madam, why they upset? Why you downstairs? Why not they upset? You downstairs, madam? Why this way? Who chose that? Who chose who be on top? Who be on the bottom, madam?
we all got to. This was a collective decision. My husband wanted the second floor, and they're on the ground floor.
So, madam, a lot of negative energy, madam. Can you and your husband both be forgiveness, madam?
Husband is a doctor, doesn't believe in all this. Whatever you tell me to do, I'll do, sir.
Madam, but does he know that he's not helping the wife? All is not helping the wife, isn't it?
Sorry?
See, now, my new daughter-in-law has sinus headache and vertigo. Can your husband solve the problem, madam?
No. In fact, even her problem is little undiagnosed, just like my swelling in the feet is undiagnosed, similar for her. So I was wondering what's wrong in our house.
Madam, I ask you a question, madam. Simple thing, madam. Daughter-in-law got sinus. Can your husband heal her sinus, madam? Vertigo.
No.
Today, if you go back on the YouTube, I just shared one vertigo lady, madam. She was so bad. She vomited in the whole bed, and she couldn't get up. And she called me, I picked up the call by luck. And she said she cannot even get up from the bed, madam. Why is vomit all over the place? And then after healing her, madam, all she had was a cord coming from her own sister. Remove the cord, the vertigo went off. And then after that, the night before that, she had dosa, masala dosa. And the dosa was giving her all the acidic problem. After healing, she walked up and she went to work.
Wow.
And I'm here and she's going to where she is. Which part of the world? You see, can your husband do that, madam, without even prescribing a medication?
No.
Exactly, madam. So how much of medication you take a day, madam? Tell me the truth.
Me?
Yes.
I'm taking 25 tablets a day.
25 tablets a day, madam. That is 1 month. 1 day, 25. 1 month, how much, madam? 2 days, 50.
5,000 rupees.
No. It's not about the money. I said number of pills you're taking. 25 pills a day. Okay,
Yes.
madam? 2 days will be 50. 50 times 15, madam. You know how much is that? 725. Okay? That is 1 month. A year?
Into 365.
2 years? 3 years? How much the pills you have, madam? That is the size of your body, madam. Where they go? They go to all the blood, they go to your liver, they go to your kidneys, and those all are not helping you from getting up, madam, because you got lots of dark energy coming from your mother-in-law. That's it.
I thought as much.
Yes, cursed you, madam. She's cursed you many times. That's all the problem, madam. Tell your wonderful doctor husband, this is all, your mother is cursing me. That's all cursed. Nothing to do with whatever you know.
So how do we solve this?
You have to read forgiveness to your mother-in-law every day, madam. It's not whether you sit down with the blessings or not. This is coming dynamically. You must go to page number 7. Read
Yes.
forgiveness to her every day. At least 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day, whether you like it on morning, afternoon, evening, and before you sleep. You must
I'll do
read
that.
forgiveness. And the worst part, madam, you are right. She's right on top of you.
No, she's on the ground floor. We are on the second
On
floor.
the top floor. So you can imagine how much energy will come up with that easily, madam. And some old people are very unforgiving, madam. They never forgive you until they die.
Yeah, she's been. Yeah, I don't want to give details, but from the very beginning, it's been.
Madam, start from the day you got married, madam. Start from the day you got married. So, madam, you have to read forgiveness. Tell your husband to also read, madam, to help you out in this situation, madam. If you can do all of these things, madam, your pain will go in 1, 2, 3, 4 months. In 4 months, all be gone.
So, frankly speaking, husband won't. Whatever you ask me to do, I'll do. I'll read it
Don't
4
keep
times.
on saying that he won't. Say he will. He will. Don't keep on saying he won't. My husband will do it. For my sake and my daughter-in-law's sake and my children's sake, he will read forgiveness. Start doing, madam.
Okay, let me try.
Don't say you try. First of all, you start doing divine fire for your husband. My husband being a divine fire, My husband's a purity God desire. Start doing that.
All right. Sure. Sure, sir.
And what is I have stubborn health issues. My daughter has upset in this mess and left the country and stay in Australia and does not want to come home and stay in this building. Wow. See, madam, how much it's affected everybody, madam.
It is. It has affected everybody. Yes.
Next one, madam. Next one. I want her to come back and settle here as I am the only child. Feel very bad and sad. She has gone so far. Is there anything wrong happening somewhere? It's all about the energy, madam, of all one lady, man. That's all, your mother-in-law.
Hmm.
Please, who is Suman?
My mother. That's my mother.
And she's living with you?
Yes. Yes.
Wow. So your mother's living with you.
For the last 3 months only, sir.
Madam,
She's been living with me only for the last 3 months. Before that, she was staying alone in her own house.
no, I understand that. But what I'm trying to say is the Indian culture, the mother should stay in the boy's house.
Mm-hmm.
It's nothing wrong. You must take care of your mother. I'm just in the culture. Can you imagine how others will be very angry? Wow, why she's living? She must go to the boy's house, This is another
Yes.
big problem. This is
You
another
are
big problem.
right. You are right.
She stays same house. I mean, so now they'll all be jealous. Oh, your mother is staying here. You're taking care. Oh, my son's money is all going to your mother. You know how people talk like that.
Yes, you're 100% correct. That happens. It has happened from day one. You're 100% correct.
Exactly, madam. I'm telling you, I can think the way Indians think, madam. Oh, you should go to her. Have you got a brother?
He?
You.
Me? No, I have no. I'm the only child. I have no brother or sister.
So it's just fair that your mother comes stay with you. It's just fair, isn't it? Everyone should understand that, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
And she has 7 rounds of antibiotic. Oh, she's very weak and can hardly walk now, losing bladder control, diabetic. Madam, your mother has got lots of emotion, lots and lots of emotions.
Mm-hmm.
Ask your mother, I am affirmation, ladies affirmation, I am light, do divine fire, read forgiveness to all the people who are not happy with me. Page number 7, page number 1, page number 7 to whomever who's not happy with me in this lifetime. Just read, man. Ask her, just read. Or just show it to her.
Just now?
No, every day. She must also read like you are reading, madam.
All right, I'll do that. I have been showing to her, though she can't read. She's very weak. We just got back from the nursing home about 4 or 5 days ago. I wrote this message to you when we had not gone to the nursing home at that time. So,
her soul wants to go, madam. Her soul wants to go.
oh, so what should we do? It's very difficult to see her suffer.
Yes, madam. Her soul wants to go. Ask her to do the divine fire. Do divine fire for your mother. My mother being a divine fire, my mother's a purity girl. Just start doing that, madam. Okay.
All
It's
right.
good that she goes, madam. She'll be fine.
Yeah. Would you bless her, please?
Okay, madam. Think of her.
You want me to take the wand?
Think of her, madam. Just think
Yes.
of her. Okay, madam, done. Let's see what happens. Think of your mother-in-law.
Yes, sir. Thinking.
Yes, between all of us, madam. I think better your mother-in-law go first, madam.
Sorry?
Yes, between both of us, it's better for your mother-in-law go first, madam.
Well,
There'll be a lot of peace and harmony in everybody's home, madam.
I know it's been from day one. We've had a lot of
Yes,
turbulence
madam. Yes.
because of her.
Yes.
And my husband can't see a thing. My husband can't see a thing negative about her.
Yes, madam. Yes. Okay, madam, done. Done. Let's see what divine plans for their souls, madam. Okay?
So will my daughter come back? I want her because she doesn't want to come. She's run away from here.
Do
Doesn't
divine
want
fire
to-
for her, do divine fire for her, and read forgiveness. Take the wand and show in front. My daughter's being a divine fire. My daughter's a purity goddess. Okay?
Okay, I hope she comes back. Is there any curse on my sleep that I don't get sleep? I haven't got for the
No,
last
madam,
week?
it's just a dark energy coming from your mother-in-law. That's all. Disturbing you.
All right, all right.
That's all.
That's all right, all right. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks
Okay,
for
madam.
all your kindness. Thank you. Thank you.
Guluma Chakrabarti. Are you here, madam?
Sir,
Are you
Hello,
from
sir.
Kolkata?
Yes, sir.
Are you from Kolkata, madam?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello.
Thank you very much for saving the people and me from various negative issues. My gratitude to you. Wish to know why my husband Sambo was so cross with me after 30 years of the marriage, wearing a new month after the marriage. What is his name? What? A few months after his marriage, he was angry with you. Is that correct, madam?
Yes, sir.
The husband was, after a few months of your marriage, he was not happy with you.
Yes.
Correct? Are you that, madam? Only good things that happened
Yes, sir.
to
Yes,
me
sir.
is the only son who is now a fine gentleman and PVH follower. Also wish to know how to sell the house at Sonarpur without getting duped by so-called brokers or buyers. Sir, you always helped and saved me from trouble. I follow spiritual hygiene and strictly. Madam, forget about your husband. You have after PV died, I've shed 7 kilos and diet balance emotional. Okay, madam. Madam, do not worry about the husband. You got no karma with him. The only good thing he has done for you, give you a good son, madam. Just say thank you very much. That's all.
Okay, sir. And about my house at Sonarpur?
Think of the house, madam.
Sir, about my house,
Think
land
of
and
the house,
house.
madam. Think of the house,
Right,
please.
sir.
Okay, madam, done. Don't worry about the husband. You have
Sir,
no karma
one-
with him. Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. One more thing, sir. Today is my son's birthday. Please bless him, sir.
Okay, madam, think of him now. Think of his son. Okay,
His
done,
name is
madam.
Shankar,
Done.
sir.
Hmm?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, madam. You're welcome. You're welcome. You lost 7 kilos,
Okay,
huh?
sir. Yes.
Okay, madam, take care. Sanjay, are you
Thank
here
you.
with
Bye.
Sanjay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sanjay, but a girl's voice. Why?
Sanjay is my son, sir.
Oh, your son is in America. You're all from America right now?
Yes, sir.
What's the time there now, madam?
Morning 8:30, sir.
8:30, huh? My son has autism and I'm doing healing for him over 1 year. He's got gut issue too and throws up a lot of food, giving him only homemade food with lots of fruits and veggies, no wheat, no dairy, lots of ancestral food. What is a lot of ancestors food?
Like black rice, no white rice, sir. Millets, black rice, those old ancient rice kind of food, sir.
Oh, those you call ancestors rice, huh?
yes,
Oh, all ancestors
sir.
food, huh?
Yes,
Oh, I
sir.
see. But then you watch TV all madam, ancestors got no TV, madam. Watch TV, go in the car.
YouTube, sir.
Affirmation every day and healing most of the day. Which else can I do for me? Madam, where's the father, madam? The boy still getting caught because of the father, madam.
Sir, father is not cooperating. What can I do to heal him, sir? I'm begging him to read affirmation.
Madam.
His parents are also not honoring him, sir.
Madam, take the son, keep him. I'm going back to India. Finish. Either you follow or you keep that fellow. I am going. I have no karma. Your karma with the son. You take care. I'm going back. If I go, I'm lucky. I get married again. I have a better child. Go. Finish. Tell him. Start. Go, madam.
Too much. I'm working with him so much, sir. The PVH is extensively I'm doing for him.
I think you have contacted me before. I told the same thing. Your husband must read.
Yes, sir. He's not reading, sir. What can I do, sir? Please help me, sir. How can I make him read, sir? Do
Madam,
something, sir. Please, sir.
Were you pregnant?
Yes, sir. I had a baby, sir.
Your mother called me when he went to the hospital.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I remember
Yes,
the
sir.
story. You're
Yes,
pregnant, and your mother was so worried she cannot go there, she can't take care of you. It was COVID time. How
Yes,
delivery?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I remember. Yes. Madam, take the son, you give it to him, you keep him. This boy, I will take care, you take him back to India. Finish. Problem solved.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes must be a little bit hard, madam. Madam, this boy has got karma with the father.
Okay. Okay.
They're both together from past life, madam. So much of dark energy coming to the boy because of the father, madam. That's why he's struggling so much.
Okay. Okay.
Understand?
I wish I could record this and show it to him, sir.
No, it's recorded. Don't worry. We put on YouTube. Show it to him.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It'll be there. It'll be there. Recorded. We'll put it today, and then tomorrow
Yes, sir.
morning you go YouTube Gmeet in India. You just come and tell him that is what happened, madam. You got no karma with this soul. The father and the boy has got karma. You can walk away, and it's nothing wrong with you, madam. But because you're a mother, you must do a duty as a mother. But how much can you do when it's not your fault? The other person must cooperate to help you. That's all. What can you do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just tell him that, okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
I can't even heal, madam. It's against the law to heal this boy because they got the father must sit down and read. What's so difficult reading forgiveness, madam? What's so difficult reading forgiveness, madam? I just want to know. What's so difficult?
He's not reading. My in-laws are also not allowing him, sir.
Why?
They're like, what is this? What is this? You
What is
pray.
What is what? Pray what? Pray what, madam? Which Baba?
Exactly, sir. How can I convince them? I don't know, sir. It's I'm pleading literally, but I don't know how to
Take your
convince them.
grandson, take your son, I'm walking away. Finish, madam. 1 month you walk away, they come after you. Finish.
Because yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you please do something, sir? I'll make sure I make him read, or I'll give him no food, sir. Please,
Madam,
sir.
it's not about the food, madam. Lots of block coming to the child because of the father, madam. All his past life connection.
Okay.
It's not about his work or this is karma, madam. It's karma. Please understand, madam. Okay? Show the way to behave, and then later we talk, madam. Okay?
Okay. Sir, any other healing I can do for his stomach, sir? Like
Madam,
for
the cords must go first, madam.
okay.
The cords
Okay,
must
sir.
go first, and then all the connections come into solar plexus, madam. All chakras are blocked, so the boy cannot eat. There is no medical treatment for this, madam. Don't waste your money and time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam? Nothing to
Okay.
do with you, huh? Only your husband and the boy, that's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Kirtana Mohan Ashwin, Tirupur. Are you here, madam? Kirtana Mohan.
சார் இது திருப்பூர் கீர்த்தனா சார் நீங்க வீட்டுக்கு போயிருக்கீங்கல்ல
அது கொண்டு பேசாச்சே
ஐ திங்க் தி சேம் கேர்ள் பேசிட்டீங்களா சார்
Yeah, I talked to her when 2 days back. She's fine now, the boy is fine. Fine, madam. Hema, are you here, Hema? Madam Hema, are you here? Hey, Tamil Nadu, எல்லாம் தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா? மசாலா போட்டுருக்கீங்களா வீட்டுல? மசாலா சோசை போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? Veena Verman, Uttar Pradesh, suffering from Mage syndrome.
Ma'am, unmute yourself. Rima, ask
Good
them
evening,
to
sir. Ma'am, yeah.
Yes, madam. Facial nervous problem, lost voice, cannot open eyes on its own, cannot chew, only on liquid diet, last 4 days, tongue is black at the center. What's going on, madam? Who is this?
Good evening, sir.
PK Verma.
Yes,
So
sir.
wife problem, husband problem now. Wife problem, husband problem.
Because she is not able to speak. She has lost her voice.
How old is she, sir?
67.
No dark energy, only physical problems, sir, to do with the brain.
Yeah, sir. Last time also you told like that only.
How are you healing her, sir? First of all, the body must change. Her body is still very acidic. Must stop all acidic food. No kadhi, no raita.
Sir, she is taking only seasonal foods, dalia and upma, nothing acidic, because she cannot chew also.
What does she eat? All these things eat. What does she eat with them? What she put in it?
just this क्या कहते हैं cauliflower. This I can't tell you in English. I will tell you. Gajar, Shimla mirch,
Carrots, capsicum.
and
Carrots, capsicum.
this one क्या है लौकी,
Bottle gourd.
broccoli और तोरी, those things.
There's still one food. There's still one food that's not good for her. I don't know. One food is not good for her. Something there is not good for her.
But sir, she is only taking dalia, गेहूं का dalia.
What is dalia?
जौ का dalia.
That is whole wheat, sir.
Whole wheat.
Yeah, but it is not crushed, sir. It is half crushed.
Okay.
Half crushed and boiled.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. There's something there. Still, there's something there. Something.
टमाटर वगैरह खाते हैं ज्यादा?
ज्यादा नहीं खाते, ऐसे ही उसमें दलिये में फॉर टेस्ट एक टमाटर दो टमाटर डाल देते हैं, that's all.
So when they make the khichdi of the whole wheat, they put 1 to 2 tomatoes in it.
Is it sour?
And that I am also eating.
Rima, it could be semolina also.
Semolina, ma'am, that is rava, right? No, this what dalia they are saying is made of whole wheat.
Dalia is porridge. Dalia is porridge. Yeah.
Okay.
And semolina only for upma.
No. Do you take semolina?
आप रवा खाते हो?
Rava only for upma we are means we are using.
Yes, sir, they are using it.
Yeah, it's white flour. No, upama is white flour.
Yes, yes.
Stop
But
this
very
white flour.
occasionally. Very occasionally, not regularly.
No, it's okay, sir. Stop the white flour. Now start healing the back head chakra, jaw minor chakras, ajna chakra, and crown chakra. Okay, do it 1, 2, 3 times a day. Do bed yoga. Do bed yoga. All the chakras every 2 or 3 hours. Heal the ajna, crown, back head chakra, and the jaw minor chakra. Let the blood flow to the head. And ask her to do balanced breathing.
Yes, sir, she is doing. Last time also, many times you have told she is doing
Yes, sir.
regularly.
Yes.
And bad yoga also she is always
So
attending.
the problems are for some unknown reason she has aged more than what she should age.
Yes, sir.
That means she's like, how old is she? 67?
Another problem I want to tell you, sir. Within the last 3-4 months, 3-4 times she is having some bhuchal type means in her head. We cannot say it is only giddiness. एकदम भूचाल की तरह आता है and she is crying loudly.
Sir, she's getting something like a typhoon in her head.
Crown chakra.
Yes, sir. All of a sudden it comes and then she is not able to manage herself.
How many gurus she has?
जोर से चिल्लाती है.
सर पूछ रहे हैं कितने गुरु को फॉलो किया है पास्ट में उन्होंने?
हाँ, पास्ट में तो किया है. अभी नहीं करती जब से
नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन पास्ट में कितने गुरु?
Bhaiya,
तीन गुरु थे.
Bhaiya, you said past guru. Okay, now no guru. Okay, any guru picture in the house?
नो सर. किसकी है? हाँ, उनका बुक्स पढ़ा हुआ है, वैसे पिक्चर नहीं है. वॉल पे कहीं पिक्चर नहीं है, बुक्स पढ़ा हुआ है उनका.
How many books? I see many books.
हाँ, कितनी है? 5-6 मंत्रा की बुक है, लेकिन वो he is not actually going through that.
No, that's okay. The energy of the books is always there at home, sir. Sir, they are telling it's 5-6 books. Sir बोल रहे हैं बुक्स के बारे में सोचिए please. Sir, उसकी energy निकाल रहे.
There are 7 books in the house that are giving all of this energy.
7 बुक में से उनको एनर्जी आ रही है, सोचिए वो बुक्स के बारे में प्लीज.
हाँ, बारे में सोचो.
Think of the books. Think of the books. Take the book in one side and don't recite any mantras from this book. Put it some corner, that's all. Don't give it away. If you want, you can do whatever you want, but don't look at it. Ask your wife not to look at it, sir. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir. Otherwise also she is not going through that.
Sometimes the connection will come, sir. They don't go, but the connection will come. Like wake you up. Hey, come on, it's time to read the mantra. Wake up, wake up, wake up. The energy of the books will come and make you do that, sir. Please understand.
Nowadays, she's not doing.
Have you not seen Harry Potter movies, sir? All the books can talk.
No, we have not seen.
It's real. It's real. The connection will come. Whatever they show is real. Sometimes the books can talk. They will come to you and talk to you and go back again. It's all connection. Okay, sir. So start healing now. There's no more connection now in the house. That's it. Okay.
She's doing regularly healing, but not improving at all.
Sir, I told you, sir, your wife is aging more than what she's supposed to age. Understand?
Yes, sir.
67, but age should be 87. That's all. She's aged more than what she's supposed to age.
Yeah.
Understand, sir?
Yeah, she looks more than her age.
Exactly. Understand? So something is wrong with the whole diet over the long time, not now. She should be 87 years old right now, not 67. Okay, sir?
In her childhood days, she has not eaten well.
Yes, so I'm telling you. She's aged more, like she's going down. So there's something you have to accept. Do whatever you can. Understand, sir? Do whatever you can to help her. Okay, sir?
Yeah, but she's suffering for the last 5-6 years.
I understand, sir. Hey, I understand. Please do whatever you can. Okay? Tell her that she's aging more than what she should age.
सर बोल रहे हैं उनकी जो उम्र होनी चाहिए उससे ज्यादा वो उनका एजिंग हो रहा है बिकॉज जो आप बोले उन्होंने बचपन में खाना ठीक से नहीं खाया है तो अभी सर ने बोला है वो सब हीलिंग करिए ओके
हाँ जी
या थैंक यू
ओके थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच
அண்ணா வணக்கம் அண்ணா நான் தமிழ்நாட்டுல இருந்து ஹேமா பேசுறேன் நான் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களை பாக்குறது
எங்க பாக்குறீங்க
நான் நம்பர் 13 ஹேமா நம்பர் 13 சார் அப்ப என்னால அன்மியூட் பண்ண முடியல சார் எனக்கு ஆமா சார் சார் எனக்கு
rheumatoid arthritis fibromyalgia dryness syndrome for the past 12 to 20 years. I have frozen wrists in both hands, frozen ankle in right hand. 10 fingers have already started curving. What do you call this? What do you call this, madam?
Structural deformity, sir.
Arthritis, so much structural deformities.
Arthritis, sir. Sir, இல்ல சார் நான் 12 வருஷமா அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் சாப்பிடுறது இல்ல சார் 3 நாள் பட்னிலாம் இருந்து பாத்திருக்கேன் நிறைய டயட்லாம் நிறைய பேர் ஜூஸ் மட்டும் குடிச்சிட்டு எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நாள் இருந்திருக்கேன் 42 கிலோ இருக்கேன் சார் 168 சென்டிமீட்டர் 42 கிலோ தான் இருக்கேன் ரொம்ப வீக்கா தான் இருக்கேன் டயட் எல்லாம் நிறைய ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டே தான் சார் இருக்கேன் எதுவும் தவறான உணவுகள்
சார்
Hello, sir. Vanakkam, sir.
Sure.
Hello.
I got married 23 years, lost my husband within 11 months.
Hello.
Good. Hey, phone and put Got married, 11 months, husband died. Got married at 35 again. By God's grace, my husband is very supportive, even though I'm unable to do any homework at home and all. Okay, honestly. Only every basic. Have I talked to you before, madam?
நோ சார் நான் இப்ப 1 month தான் சார் ஆகுது கோர்ஸ் பண்ணி கிளாஸ் பண்ணி 1 month தான் ஆகுது டெய்லி படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார் ஆமா சார் டெய்லி அஃபர்மேஷன் படிக்கிறேன் ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்குங்க சார்
Sorry, okay, I had a period before 1 month and following every day strictly. I felt good changes in my energy level and praying for past 50 days. But again, I started suffering. Madam, munuk ponga. Madam. I want to take care of myself and be at home and do good to the society. Please heal me, please. God given me. Madam, let me tell you. Now, when you got married, madam, there's a curse when you got married to this man. Curse from the man's family.
Okay, sir.
Now, this man you got married, was it love marriage or matchmaking?
It's kind of love marriage, sir.
First one, okay?
Yes, sir.
Was there a caste difference or religion difference?
Caste difference was there, sir.
How much different?
Different caste.
Cat and
sir,
dog, duck and chicken.
இல்லைங்க சார், அவங்க தேவாங்க செட்டியார், நாங்க வெள்ளான் செட்டியார். 2 பேரும் வெவ்வேறு செட்டியார், பட் செட்டியார் தாங்க சார். ரொம்ப
அதான்
டிஃபரன்ஸ்.
கேட்டேன் மேடம். நான் தான் கேட்டேன். குரங்கும் பூனையா நாயும் பூனையா அதான் கேட்டேன். எந்த பூனை எந்த நாய் தான் கேட்டேன். அவ்வளவுதான். அப்படிதான் உங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
ஆனா ஒரே செட்டியாரு. என்ன செட்டியார் மேடம் சொல்லுங்க.
அவங்க தேவாங்க செட்டியார், நான் வந்து வெள்ளான் செட்டியார்.
தேவாங்க செட்டியார்.
தேவாங்கர். ஆமா சார், தேவாங்க.
அப்ப நீங்க?
எஸ், வெள்ளான் செட்டியார். வெள்ளான் செட்டியார். வெள்ளான் செட்டியார்.
மூக்கு கோணிட்டு இருக்குமா காது கோணிட்டு இருக்குமா?
எல்லாரும் வாயால தான் சார் சாப்பிடுவோம்.
ஆமா மேடம், அதானே. நானே காது இப்படி இருக்குமோ அந்த மாதிரி காதை பத்தி சொல்லுவாங்களோ.
அப்படிலாம் இல்ல சார்.
Madam, your problem started the day you got married, madam. Understand?
Okay, sir.
A lot of people from the husband family were not accepting this marriage, madam. They cursed you so badly. The curse is still on.
Okay, sir. ஆனா எல்லாம் ஒத்துக்கிட்டு தான் திருமணம் பண்ணி வச்சாங்கங்க சார்.
கிளிச்சாங்க. 7 எடுங்க.
சரிங்க, சொல்லுங்க.
Take page 7, madam. The curse must go first.
Okay.
Take page number 7.
Okay. Paramatma Devi Tandai Devi.
படிக்கும்போது go to page number 7. The bracket to all my first husband's family.
Hello, sir. வணக்கம் சார்.
Husband's family.
படிங்க மேடம்.
படிக்கிறேன் சார். அனைத்து பரமாத்மா தெய்வீக தந்தை, தெய்வீக தாயின் வீராத்மா, ஆல் மை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி, ஆல் மை செகண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி, சார் படிச்சாச்சுங்க சார். சார் படிச்சிட்டேங்க சார்.
சரி இருங்க அவசரப்படாது. ஓகே மேடம், உங்க கஸ்லாம் போச்சு இப்ப. சரியா? இனிமே ஹீல் பண்ண ஆரம்பிங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓரா கிளென்சிங் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சாப்பாடுலாம் பாத்துக்கங்க.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
கர்ஸ் மேடம், கர்ஸ். உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட்
இதுல இருந்தா செகண்ட் ஹஸ்பண்டாங்க சார்.
உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் இறந்ததே கர்ஸ்னால தான் மேடம்.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
சரியா? அப்ப எல்லாம் போச்சு இப்ப. சரி,
ஓகே
சார். எத்தனை செட்டியார் இருக்காங்க?
தெரியல சார், எனக்கு அது ஏகப்பட்ட செட்டியார் இருக்கிறாங்க. நமக்கு அந்த விவரம்லாம் அவ்வளவு தெரியல சார்.
அவ்வளவு ரெண்டு எனக்கு தெரியும். நாட்டுக்கோட்டை செட்டியார் தெரியும். நாட்டுக்கோட்டை செட்டியாரு.
ஆமா சார்.
வேற எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க மேடம்?
வேற தேவாங்கர் செட்டியார் தெரியும், எங்க கடன் வருது. அப்புறம் என்னது வெள்ளான் செட்டியார். வேற செட்டியார் எனக்கும் தெரியலங்க சார். நான் நிறைய இருக்கிறாங்க சார். அதான் நிறைய பேர் வச்சு விட்டு எல்லாம் சுத்திட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. நமக்கு தெரியல சார்.
ஏன் மேடம் இதெல்லாம்? சரி, அடுத்த பேர் எல்லாம் போய் ஆப்பிரிக்கால பறக்க போறாங்க. அவன் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்.
சார் எனக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் சார்? என்னுடைய கணவருக்கு வந்து
now you start healing madam. Now you start healing yourself. Okay, do it regularly and you'll be fine. There's no more thing. Your body is already started to heal right now. Okay, இப்போ heal பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சு.
Okay sir.
அப்புறம் எங்களுக்கு அந்த there's one lady who's ambassador for rheumatoid arthritis. அவங்க அழகா பண்ணாங்க. She's perfectly okay today madam. அவங்க கூட பேசு. தமிழ்ல போலதான் மலேசியால ஒருத்தவங்க. கையெல்லாம் மடங்கி போடுறாங்க. உங்களுக்கு கையில மடங்கி போயிடும் அவங்களுக்கு.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
பெர்ஃபெக்ட் இருக்கு. கதவு திறக்க முடியாது மேடம் உங்களால. இதுல போட்ட தோல் திறக்க முடியாது. மில்ல திறக்க முடியாது. அந்த அவ்வளவு மோசமா இருக்கும் கையில வலி. இஸ் ஃபைன்.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். அவங்க பேருங்க சார்?
அங்க போய் பாருங்க சொல்லுவாங்க அவங்க.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். சார் என்னோட கணவருக்கு வந்து நைட்ல ரொம்ப நேரம் தூக்கம் வர மாட்டேங்குது. 1 மணி 2 மணி வரைக்கும் முழிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. வீட்ல எங்க மாமியாருக்கு தூக்கம் வர மாட்டேங்குதுங்கறாங்க.
இப்ப பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் ஆரா கிளென்சிங் டப்பிங்ல பண்ணிட்டு போங்க. அந்த வயிறை ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க. ஆசிட் இந்த நைட்ல போயிட்டு இந்த பரோட்டா, இந்த இந்த சாம்பார், இந்த குருமா எல்லாம் சாப்பிடாம இருக்க முடியுமா?
கண்டிப்பாங்க சார். நான் அதெல்லாம் எதுவும் சாப்பிடுறது இல்ல சார். கஞ்சி, ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அப்படிதான் சார், வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் அப்படிதான் சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார்.
கஞ்சி என்ன மேடம்? கஞ்சி மாதிரி என்ன மேடம்?
சார் எனக்கு வந்து ஆமா சார்.
அப்புறம்
எனக்கு ஆனா மேக்ஸிமம் நான் எடுத்துக்கிறது ஃப்ரூட்ஸ், வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் தான்.
சாப்பாடுல ப்ரிப்பேர் தான். ஃப்ரூட் கூட முடியாது. ஃப்ரூட்ல வந்து சுகர்.
ஓகே சார்.
சாப்பிட்ட கிரேப்ஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப புளிக்கும். ஆப்பிள்லாம் வந்து சுகர். சுகர்லாம் போயிட்டு யூரிக் ஆசிட் இன்னும் வேர்ஸ்ட் ஆகும். புரியுதுங்களா மேடம்?
ஓகே சார்.
பார்த்து சாப்பிடுங்க. சும்மா நல்ல கீரை வகை, அவரைக்காய் இதெல்லாம் போனாங்க நல்ல ஃபைபர் மாதிரி வரும். லிவர் ஃப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க, அனிமா பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு 2 உங்களுக்கு 3 அனிமா பண்ணணும் மேடம்.
ஒரு நாளைக்காங்க சார்?
3 வாட்டி பண்ண உங்களுக்கு 3 அனிமாஸ். because of 3 animals, morning, afternoon and evening.
ஓகே சார். வேற சக்ராஸ்லாம் எது கிளென்ஸ் பண்ணனும் சார்?
அதான் செய்யுங்க. பேஜ் யோகா பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா?
ஓகேங்க சார். சரிங்க சார். ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க சார்.
பாய்.
நன்றி சார்.
Sri Banda Giri. Where is Sri Banda Giri? This one looks more like a Andhra Pradesh name, correct? Is it Giri?
Sir, unmute பண்ணுங்க sir. Giri, please unmute yourself, sir.
Mr. Giri, I can see you, Mr. Giri. Giri Maharaj, please unmute yourself. Are you using a phone or using a laptop, sir?
Laptop.
So go follow. There's a small phone there, like a phone, like a flower. Click on the flower. Click பண்ணுங்க sir. Click பண்ணுங்க.
Ma'am, I'll guide him. You can take the next one.
Chitra, Madam Chitra.
Hello, வந்துட்டேங்க மேம். குட் ஈவினிங் சார்.
மேடம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க.
ஹலோ.
ஓகே மேம். ஓகே.
ஹலோ.
பேசுங்க சார், சத்தமா பேசுங்க சார்.
Mr. Giri, Sri Banda Giri. ஒரே பந்தாவா இருக்கீங்க?
Sir, I am unmuted, sir.
Okay, I can hear you. Talk. What's the problem? 21 years of migraine problem. It's a shame to have 21 years of migraine problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
Previously once before exam, now it's every month once. I'm reading affirmation and healing. Still migraine does not go. I believe only Shiva sir can heal me. Will give me some time to heal me. And where's your migraine pain? Left side, right side, on the head here, bottom head?
Sir, it starts on the left side.
Got a pain right now? Got a pain right now?
Sir, last 2 days it has reduced.
Got a pain right now?
Sir, last 2 days it has reduced.
Do you have a pain right now?
Little bit.
Okay. Take the wand now. Take the wand. Put it in front. Say healing wand. How come you got purple color wand?
Yeah, purple color, sir.
Who gave you purple color wand?
Sir, you had come to Pune that time. You had given me.
Then you must know how to heal yourself, sir. You have a big 2 days class there.
Sir, that time you healed and it had gone. Then I went to Odisha. My brother had GBS in the hospital, and I went same night. I got again terrible migraine, and then it's continuing after that. Even though whatever I heal, I read affirmation, it doesn't help only.
And how many years was that?
Sir, during pandemic last year, sir, in 2020.
So take the wand. Say healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required.
Become as powerful as required.
To heal my left jaw minor chakra.
To heal my left jaw minor chakra.
Rotate. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. New rules. Healing wand.
Healing wand.
Become as powerful as required.
Become as powerful as required.
To heal and condition.
To heal and condition.
My left jaw minor chakra.
My left jaw minor chakra.
I am also forgetting. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing, sir. Keep on doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing. It's a physical problem, sir. Not any cord. You have no cord, it's just a physical problem, okay?
Sir, previously and when you came to Pune, you said I had cords, but then I regularly read the affirmation maybe because of.
No, you're fine, sir. You're fine. How's the pain now?
Sir, it has reduced, sir.
Okay, so something wrong with the jaw minor chakra. So next time, whenever you got pain on either one side, heal the jaw minor chakra on that side. Okay, sir?
Okay. And sir, when I have migraine in the middle of the night, I will get up after 2-3 hours of sleep. Then I don't get sleep properly.
Never mind. So next time, before you go to sleep, do Ida Pingala, do balance breathing for 2 minutes, and then go to sleep. Make it a practice every day. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
Just do balance breathing. Ida Pingala, do balance breathing for 2 minutes, and then go to sleep. Then you see, you won't have any problem. Okay? If you can, every day, do balance breathing 2 minutes 4 times a day. Morning, afternoon, evening, before you go to sleep. You'll be fine. No migraine problem. Okay?
Sir, can I ask you one more thing? Sir, I work in an office, and then office I used to rent it out, and I used to get rent. During pandemic time, they left, sir. Now the people come to rent it, but their head office in Bombay, somehow it doesn't get approved. Around 6-7 people have come like that, but it's not getting approved, sir.
There's a lot of dark energy in your place, sir. Think of the place now. Think of your place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing I just want to ask you. My boss is a big man in Dubai. His only son is not getting married, and he listens to me a lot. But
Who your boss?
Yes, sir. His only son, and he has huge business loss. So his son is not getting married. So he's very worried. But he
There's a lot of black magic in the family. A lot of black magic in the family, sir. Let them all do divine fire first and sit on the blessings.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I sometime connect him to you?
Try and see, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, when will you come to Pune next?
I can't even go to my another state in my country, sir. You're locked down. How to come to Pune? Huh? Your country want visa. You want this, you want that. How to come? Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chitra from Coimbatore.
Good evening.
Last question because we have no time now. It's 10 o'clock.
Sir, we have totally 20 questions.
Madam, we have no time, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Chitra, madam.
Hello, madam. Vanditeng, madam. Good evening, sir.
My son was getting more involved in PVH and started to read affirmation, but now my husband took us back to our own home. Started to play the same way how he was before 2 years. Always intention, speaking to someone, to himself. Not all that listen to him. Only with the help of a teacher who comes to home, we are able to control him nowadays, sir. But this is not permanent. My husband also started to take our son to temples, which we have told him not good for the soul. My husband behaves very abnormally nowadays, more than my son, the only one who creates trouble. Please, sir. Madam, can you leave your husband, madam?
என்னங்க சார்?
Can you leave your husband?
சார், அவருக்கு இந்த பிவிஹெச் பத்தி நல்லா தெரியும், வந்திருக்காருங்க சார். அட்டெண்ட்
Madam,
பண்ணிருக்காரு.
can you leave your husband and go out yourself?
கண்டிப்பா போக முடியுங்க சார். சூழ்நிலை மட்டும்தான், அவர் இல்லாம இருந்தா நான் நல்லா இருப்பேன்னு எனக்கே தெரியுதுங்க சார்.
போங்க மேடம், கிளம்புங்க.
நான் இப்போ பொண்ணு வீட்ல தான் வந்திருக்கேங்க சார். இன்னைக்கு கூட பேச முடியாது அப்படிங்கறதுனால
ஏன் அழுவுறீங்க? இந்த மாதிரி அழுந்தே எல்லாம் கெட்டு போயிட்டீங்களா?
எனக்கு நிம்மதியே கிடையாதுங்க சார். அவரை
விட்டு போக வேண்டானே?
அவரே என்ன விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டா ரொம்ப நிம்மதியா இருக்கு.
அப்படியே அமெரிக்கா போங்க, ஒரு பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட் வந்துருவான், நல்லா சந்தோஷமா இருங்க. சரியா போச்சு.
பையன் சார் அவ்வளவு நல்லா வந்திருக்காங்க சார், மாறி இருக்கான்.
இதேதான் மேடம்,
ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து என்ன விரட்டுறாங்க.
வாழ்க்கை பூரா பையன் இல்லாட்டி புருஷன், பையன் இல்லாட்டி புருஷன், ரெண்டை வச்சுட்டு தான் உட்காந்துருக்க வேண்டாம், அழுக வேண்டாம் வாழ்க்கை பூரா. மேடம், உங்க ப்ராப்ளமே உங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் தான் மேடம், வேற ஒண்ணுங்க இல்ல.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
வேற யாரும் ப்ராப்ளம்?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
நம்ம எல்லாம் செஞ்சாச்சு, இவ்வளவு காசு அழிச்சிருக்கீங்க. இந்த இந்த
ஆமாங்க சார்.
மகனுக்கு எவ்வளவு காசு ஆச்சு? நல்லதா இருந்துச்சா? பேருக்கு அந்த
எதுவுமே
பதட்டம் நல்லா வந்துச்சு.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
அவருக்கு அது புரியுமா? புரியணுமா? புரியக்கூடாது அவருக்கு.
அவருக்கு புரியணுங்க சார். எவ்வளவு நல்லது நடந்திருக்குங்கிறது, பையன் இவ்வளவு மாறி வந்திருக்கான், இது எல்லாமே தெரியுதுங்க சார். ஆனா எதுவுமே தெரியாத மாதிரி பழையபடிக்கே போறாருங்க சார்.
இப்ப என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க
சார் இப்ப
கிளம்புங்க.
ரொம்ப அநியாயம் பண்றாருங்க சார். பைத்தியக்காரன் நாட்டு பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஏதோ சாமியார் கிட்ட வேற போயிட்டு பணத்தை ரொம்ப தொலைக்கிறாருங்க சார். கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப்ல நல்ல ஜாபுங்க சார், நல்ல பணம், பென்ஷன் பணமும் நல்லா வந்தது. இப்ப பென்ஷன் பணம் வந்துட்டு இருக்குங்க சார். பிஎஃப் பணமும் நல்லா வந்தது. ஒரு நல்லபடியா எல்லாருக்கும் செலவு பண்ணா ரொம்ப நிம்மதியா இருக்குங்க சார். புகழ் 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 போதைக்கு மயங்கி உண்மையிலுமே அவர் இப்ப பண்ற வேலையெல்லாம் பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமா இருக்குங்க சார். பையன் அப்படியே மாத்தி கொண்டு போறாருங்க சார். கோயிலுங்களுக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போறாரு, நேட்டிவ் பிளேஸ் கூட்டிட்டு போவாரு. என்ன பண்றதுனே தெரியலங்க சார். ஸ்ரீநிதி மேடம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்ததுல இருந்து தாங்க சார் இந்த 2 வருஷமா நாங்க அவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கோங்க சார்.
அதுக்கு என்ன பண்றது?
ரொம்பவே முடியலங்க சார். என்ன பண்றது? நான் பேசவே வாயை திறக்க கூடாதுங்க சார். 2 பேரும் இப்ப என்ன விரட்டுறாங்க சார். இப்ப நான் போய் வீட்டுல இருந்தேன்னா பையன் நல்லா அஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா படிச்சு நல்லா வராங்க சார். ஆனா அவனையும் என்ன மிரட்டுறாங்க சார். அவனுக்கு அவங்க அப்பா தாங்க சார் தேவை. இவன் வந்து ஒரு நார்மலா இருக்கான்னு தான் சொல்லி எல்லாருமே அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு நார்மலா வந்துட்டாங்க சார். இன்னும் மேல கொண்டு வந்துடலான்னு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை எனக்கு இருக்குங்க சார். இப்ப அது எல்லாத்தையும் போக்கடிக்கிற மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காருங்க சார்.
மேடம், நீங்க எனக்கு சொல்லி ஒண்ணும் புரியல. அவங்கதான் பாஸ், வீட்ல அவங்கதான் பாஸ். ஒண்ணு நீங்க பாஸ்க்கு 2 அரை விட்டு போடான்னு சொல்லி திறமை இருக்கு உங்ககிட்ட. அந்த திறமை
அவருக்கு வாயே திறக்க முடியாம என்ன மிரட்டி மிரட்டி அவர் அடிமை மாற வச்சிருக்காங்க சார்.
ஒண்ணு நீங்க கிளம்பிருங்க, சந்தோஷமா போங்க. போயிட்டு மகோல இருங்க, சரியா போச்சு, வீட்டுல ஆக்கிடுங்க, எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு மேடம். அவ்வளவுதான், நீங்க ஒன்றும் செய்ய முடியாது. நீங்க
ஆமாங்க சார். எனக்கு நிம்மதியா இருக்கணுங்க சார். நான் இது ஒண்ணுதான் கேக்குறேங்க சார்.
அவங்களாம் மாறி வந்தாதான் மேடம். அது மாதிரி நீங்க ஒன்றும் செய்ய முடியாது மேடம். புரியுதுங்களா?
சரிங்க சார்.
சரி, அதெல்லாம் கவலைப்படாதீங்க மேடம்.
சரிங்க சார்.
மேல போங்க, நினைச்சிட்டு போங்க மேல.
சரிங்க சார்.
மேடம்,
சரிங்க சார்.
பாய்
சார். ஓகேங்க சார். தேங்க்யூங்க சார்.
சார் அவ்வளவுதானுங்களா சார்? நிக்கி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கலாங்களா சார்?
என்ன கதை அது?
இது அருண் பிரகாஷ்.
நம்ம பேர் ஒரு மாதிரியா இருக்கு.
கோரி அருண் பிரகாஷ்.
கோரி ஒரு கேப் தானே? கோரி ஒரே வேற இருக்கு. கோரி கேப். Yes, Mr. Kori.
Arun Prakash.
Where are you from? Mumbai. I got opened up a brain tumor last year in May. My tumor was partially removed by my neurosurgeon. Suggested chance of paralysis. Right now, I'm undergoing homeopathy and physiotherapy since January 2021. I took my latest MRI in June. Again, where 20% of my balanced tumor is melted. My homeopathy doctor suggests to continue with the medicine with patience, as per the homeopathy. Hey, homeopathy got cure for all of these things, sir.
Hello, sir.
Doctor say tumor has taken time to arrive, so I will take time to complete the healing also. So I have 2 kills under to melt and heal my balanced tumor, to regain my health and my having imbalance in walking due to balance in my left hand side and right hand side. Yes, sir. When they remove certain part of the brain must rejuvenate. If cannot, then you'll affect the part of the brain, part of the body, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Sir,
okay,
my name is Kori.
Let me tell you, 100, 200, 300, 400% is your karma in this lifetime.
Sorry, sir.
400% of what you're going through is karma in this past life.
Okay, sir.
So karma. Okay, sir. So read forgiveness for whatever wrong you done. Can you do some kind of charity work, pour water for the plant, put water for the birds, feed the animals? Can you do something like that?
Yes, sir, I can do it.
Go and plant a tree. Do something. Do as many good things for nature as you can. Then the divine help you in that way.
At present, I have little imbalance in my left hand and left leg to walk along. But then too, I tried going to my physiotherapy session thrice a week. Actually, I walk because it is quite nearby to my house. So I managed
Yes,
to do
I
it.
understand, sir. All that I understand what you're doing. I understand. Okay, all that is helping your physical body. But there's another thing you got to help yourself. You got to balance your karma. Do all that. Yes, do all that. But karma balance is very important for you.
Sir, I wanted the rest of the tumor to be completely dissolved and melted, sir. Is there any remedy for it, sir?
I understand, sir. This is karma, I'm telling you. So do good things, your body will heal by itself. Let the divine forgive you for whatever wrong you've done in your past life. Understand,
Okay,
sir?
sir.
You understand what I'm going to say? You understand? You understand, sir? Please understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's karma.
I've been introduced to PVH last month only, sir. I finished 6 modules completely. I started reading my affirmation also. I have the affirmation and the calendar right now with me, sir.
You got the healing wand, sir? Got the healing wand?
Healing
You have the healing wand?
healing wand is not available to me with me right now, sir.
Okay, once you receive six one, they give you, they'll teach you how to heal. But in the meantime, start doing good to balance your karma.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Do that, sir. Huh? Do that. And at the same time, heal yourself. Doing good is more important than all of the other things. Do good as much as you can. Ask forgiveness. Okay, sir? For whatever wrong you've done in the past life, start doing. Plant some tree, pour water for the plant, go out and do whatever you can for Mother Nature. Okay, sir? Then Mother Nature will start, something will start to happen good for you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank
much,
you very
sir.
much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, madam, time's up. Thank you very much, guys. See you all tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Not tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow.
Oh.